Props start spinning, a low frequency hum, lifting off the asphalt, watching where we've come. Rising over Flamingo, the traffic lights glow, a rhythmic pulse of the city below. The sun's catching gold on the glass and the steel. From up here the world feels incredibly real. Higher than the palms, drifting on the breeze, over Sawgrass Mills like a ship on silver seas. A tapestry of colors, the shoppers and the lights. Sunrise is waking in 1,000 different sights. Floating on the thermals, steady and wide, taking in the beauty on a Florida tide. There's the oasis, the curve of the roof, modern day magic, architectural proof. Then we pivot west, where the suburbs meet the wild. The edge of the glades, where the sawgrass is piled. Infinite horizons, a deep shade of green, the most peaceful transition that I've ever seen. Catch the reflection in a shimmering pond of the BB&T Center and the world far beyond. Between the rush of the mall and the quiet of the marsh, the light turns to amber, nothing feels harsh. Coming back down, descending through the heat, landing soft and easy on a sunrise street. But my eyes are still up there, chasing the blue, seeing the sawgrass from a bird's eye view. The props start spinning, a low frequency hum, lifting off the asphalt, watching where we've come. Rising over Flamingo, the traffic lights glow, a rhythmic pulse of the city below. The sun's catching gold on the glass and the steel. From up here the world feels incredibly real. Higher than the palms, drifting on the breeze, over Sawgrass Mills like a ship on silver seas. A tapestry of colors, the shoppers and the lights. Sunrise is waking in 1,000 different sights. Floating on the thermals, steady and wide, taking in the beauty on a Florida tide. There's the oasis, the curve of the roof, modern day magic, architectural proof. Then we pivot west, where the suburbs meet the wild. The edge of the glade.